Welcome to our course on gaining weight, building muscle, and increasing energy. My name is Tavis Piatoli, sports dietitian and nutrition consultant for the New Orleans Saints, the New Orleans Hornets, and the Tulane University Athletic Department. In this course, we're going to focus on nutrition strategies that's going to help athletes build lean muscle, gain weight, and increase energy effectively. At the end of this course, you should expect to know how to implement the game plan, how to eat at the right times to maximize weight gain and muscle growth, which foods are best for building lean muscle, the importance of liquid calories and when to consume them, how to be more organized with planning your meals every day, why too many workouts could be preventing you from gaining muscle and also gaining weight, and the importance of rest and why that is needed to grow and perform at a high level. In our game plan, we'll focus on setting goals, particularly 6-week body weight goals, to really show you how to track your weight over a particular period of time. Then we're going to focus on setting 3 sports nutrition goals. These are going to be the goals that are really going to help you focus on some of your weak areas that you might not be doing every single day, and then really showing you specific strategies to kind of build on those goals and maybe setting new goals once these have been achieved. Implementing the plan. We have 12 lessons throughout our program. As you complete the 12 lessons, you're going to improve your knowledge, you're going to be able to implement some of these strategies and see progress. Then you're going to be able to document your progress throughout the 12 lesson plans and then hold yourself accountable, but also find someone, parent, coach, athletic trainer, that's also going to hold yourself accountable and give you support. And with that, you'll have a reward. That individual will reward you for being successful, evaluate your plan, and then reset your goals and keep moving forward. Here's a copy of our 12 lessons. You'll look at these, and then, of course, throughout the 12 lessons, we'll take you through specific strategies that's going to get you to the next level. Throughout the 12 lessons, we're going to have live sessions with a sports dietitian. This is going to be an individual that's going to be able to answer questions that you may have, to provide any additional resources, or really to support the goal of gaining lean body muscle weight. You'll be notified regarding the date and time of our next live session once you sign up for the program.